You did it. You're on Clubhouse and you've already started a room. Now what? How do you get people to show up and join your room? In this video, I'll share some tips to growing your Clubhouse rooms, and I'll share a few ninja hacks. Ninja hacks that I've used to grow my Clubhouse rooms, followers, and impact on the platform. And if you stick around to the end, I'll share with you the template that I use to keep track of people and topics on the platform so that you're always creating the most impactful rooms possible. If you're new to Clubhouse, contrary to what you've heard, don't start your own room yet. Who wants to start a room by themselves with crickets? The best way to grow your own rooms is to first participate in other people's rooms and do collaborations. Your hallway is determined by the people that you follow, so people won't even see your rooms unless they're following you. When you create rooms with other co-moderators, their followers are notified, and that grows your room, and so their audience finds out about you, and that's what you want. Find 5 to 6 people that you could always be able to drum up a room with. I have a whole video about collaborations though, so you can click there to see it. Let's assume that you're ready to start your room. The first thing that you want to do is schedule the room. And you can do this by clicking on the calendar at the top of your hallway. After you click on it, you can put in what the topic of the room is, who's going to be co-moderating with you, and you could put a description there. Once you've scheduled your room, it will generate 4 options. One is to share the link. The second one is to tweet it out. The third one is to copy the link. This ability to generate a link is the reason why scheduling rooms is so important. The thing that has worked well for me is creating some type of marketing material and then sharing it with my email list, with my text list, with my Facebook group. I'll even create a Facebook event. The reason I do this is so that people know when I'll be on Clubhouse, because everyone's not on Clubhouse 24 hours a day. Once the room goes live, you still have 2 opportunities to get people into the room. The first way is by pinging people into the room. That is a Clubhouse terminology, and it's simply just meaning to invite people into the room so that they're aware that the room is going on and they can also enjoy it. Another way to be able to give your room the best chance at growth is to be able to spin up a room under a club that has a big following. Followers of clubs get notified when a room goes live, which will help grow your room more quickly. Before I get into the next tip, if you're finding value from the video, click the like button below. Ready for your bonus? This is a game changer. The key to knowing how to start great rooms is to have compelling topics. Go into the rooms and listen. Create a spreadsheet with the room title and the most frequently asked questions that you hear when you're in that room. Why? Because this gives you your next room title. Use their language, and this will make your room a magnet in the hallway. Starting a room is really just the tip of the iceberg. If you really want to know how to leverage your Clubhouse experience, then make sure you check out this playlist where we go through all of the things that you need to know about Clubhouse marketing. Or check out this video right here. Either way, I'll see you in the next one.